In our hyper-connected world, data is being generated at an unprecedented rate. Every click, every transaction, every sensor reading contributes to a colossal digital ocean we call big data. But what exactly is big data, and how do companies transform this overwhelming volume of raw information into valuable insights that drive decisions, predict trends, and even shape our future? Welcome to How Big Data Analytics Really Works, where we'll demystify the complex process behind harnessing the power of the data deluge. The journey begins with data acquisition. Big data isn't just about size, it's defined by the 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume refers to the sheer amount, velocity to the speed at which it's generated, and variety to the diverse formats it comes in, from structured database tables to unstructured text, images, and sensor logs. Collecting this diverse torrent requires robust infrastructure. We use techniques like real-time streaming for high-velocity data, batch processing for larger historical datasets, and APIs to tap into external sources. Once collected, this raw data needs a home. Traditional databases often struggle, so big data employs scalable storage solutions like data lakes, which can store data in its native format, and distributed file systems such as HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, designed to store and manage petabytes of information across clusters of commodity servers. With data collected and stored, the next crucial step is processing. Raw data is often messy, incomplete, and inconsistent. It needs to be cleaned, transformed, and integrated before it can yield meaningful insights. This involves identifying and correcting errors, handling missing values, standardizing formats, and merging data from various sources into a cohesive structure. Tools like Apache Hadoop's MapReduce framework or Apache Spark are the workhorses here. MapReduce divides large data processing tasks into smaller, independent sub-tasks that can be executed in parallel across a cluster. Spark, a faster and more versatile engine, extends this capability, offering in-memory processing, making it ideal for iterative algorithms and real-time analytics. This stage turns raw bytes into refined information, ready for deeper examination. Now, the magic truly happens: data analysis. This is where algorithms and statistical techniques sift through the processed data to uncover hidden patterns, correlations, and anomalies. Data scientists employ a range of methods: descriptive analytics to understand what happened, diagnostic analytics to understand why it happened, predictive analytics to forecast what might happen, and prescriptive analytics to recommend actions. Machine learning algorithms, a cornerstone of big data analytics, play a huge role. From classification and regression models that predict outcomes to clustering algorithms that identify natural groupings within data, these sophisticated techniques help build predictive models, detect fraud, personalize experiences, and optimize operations. This phase transforms processed information into genuine insights and foresight. Finally, for insights to be valuable, they must be communicated effectively. This is where data visualization comes into play. Complex findings are translated into intuitive dashboards, charts, and reports, making them accessible to decision-makers who may not be data experts. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even custom web applications turn numbers into compelling stories, allowing businesses to grasp intricate trends at a glance. But visualization is just the final step in a cycle aimed at generating actionable insights. These insights empower businesses to make informed, data-driven decisions, whether it's optimizing supply chains, enhancing customer experiences, developing new products, or identifying emerging market opportunities. From raw byte to strategic decision, big data analytics is transforming industries worldwide, making the invisible visible and the unpredictable manageable. Understanding this process is key to navigating our data-driven future.